Can you please make a video on keyword mesh types since BMM, which is the broad match modifier, got replaced by phrase and things aren't the same as before? Because now phrase is giving irrelevant clicks and not optimizing the ad as it used to before. For example, I used to target like take my service. Then it used to bring all the relevant clicks, including the intent and keywords I have mentioned, but it's not working properly now. All right. So there's a couple of things I would like to make a comment on. First of all, BMM has not replaced phrase. BMM has been removed by Google Ads. So before we had BMM, phrase, exact, only phrase and exact are in the account. So we can't use BMM, first of all. So it's not replacing phrase match. What you are saying now is you're getting irrelevant clicks from phrase. I'm not sure why, because I would have thought BMM is a bit more broader keyword, would have brought in more irrelevant clicks than phrase match. So you need to look at your negative keyword list and see how aggressive or non-aggressive you are with those. So take my service is bringing you all the relevant clicks, which I find very intriguing, because take my service is a very broad keyword. It's going to bring in service for accountant, it could bring in for pizza delivery, it could bring in for plumber, it could bring in for dentist, or any kind of service-based business, if that's what you're targeting. I don't know what you're targeting. So you can't have such a broad keyword. It's going to give you a ton of clicks. Now, whether they're all relevant or not, I don't know. But phrase, in my experience, will not give you more irrelevant clicks than what BMM used to. So you need to look at how you structure. And keywords are never going to optimize an ad. Keyword has got, okay, what people are searching for in the search term, have they got intent or not? And are you using that high intent keywords? If not, then you need to change the keyword. If you're not getting the clicks on the ad, then you need to optimize the ad, because they don't like what they see. They're not clicking on the ad. So then you need to optimize. So keywords will never, ever optimize your ads. You need to optimize the ads by themselves.